revolution will be live.
Sweet. Enrique went ahead and oh, it got the reflectors in there. If you look at the little eye thing, the little reflectors. I'm gonna put you in our ZX14 chat, the guys who have parts and all that good stuff. Man, that looks good. And I'm glad you got it in this color. You know, everybody's getting black and looking like mine. I'm like, no, have your own. Oh, hey, that's fine. That's fine. Man, the color looks good. All right. Welcome to the club, brother.
What's going on, YouTube family? I'm doing this narration for my brother Enrique, also a fellow soldier in the United States military. Good friend of mine, known him for a long time, since his kids were little babies. Now they're like all grown. It's crazy how time kids make you feel your age. I'll just put it that way. But I'm gonna do a little bit of a narration, and you know, I'm gonna try to make this as humorous as possible. So here we go.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Come on, man, indeed. So had a little mishap over here, and you know, Enrique got the bike registered the day that had a little mishap. So he was doing fine on the highway and everything, and we were having a chill ride with one of our other soldiers. And you know, we were coming by my house, and I don't know exactly what happened, but I do know that he cracked the pulsar cover, the upper fairing stay, the whole front end. Thank God that the front forks weren't bent. It was just, I don't know, I guess he had trouble turning the bike because it is stretched, and I guess the prior owner had it set up like a drag bike. You see the extended swing arm and all that. And this is, you know, I love my brother and all, but this is not a beginner bike. You know, that this thing has some kick, some pull, like a bucking bronco. So went, you know, nose first into a tree. You know, I saw him falling. I like, my heart jumped into my neck because I was thinking about his kids and all that. And luckily he was okay. He was just sore the next day, but smashed the whole front end. And you know, like I said, I tell people those 14s are no joke. We're talking over 100 pounds of torque. You know, out of Gen 1, Gen 2 is a little higher than that. So you know, I guess he freaked out a little bit, but also too, he's a little shorter, so you know, we might have to take it to Cycle Addiction in Metuchen, New Jersey. Make sure you check them out. See Julian and Mike Frazino. They're, you know, my buddies, and I'll be doing some podcasts over there. It's just a matter of time for me getting there. But yeah, they were giving me advice as to what to do, and I wanted to take the undertaking of fixing the bike. So we'll do some more narrations in a bit.
Yep. Just got the registered today. Got it yesterday. And it's a nice little drag bike setup. You know, can hit the tree dead on, man. Now was leaking oil. and all that. You know, he's a good dude, you know, a little Peruvian guy, you know, but now I'm feeling kind of guilty. But it's all good. Look at this shit. The fairings, the whole shit's fucked up, bro. The whole front end. Yeah, I'll show you the rest of it. The front steering was alright for the most part. Yeah, I don't see any bends in the forks. They weren't leaking or anything. Yeah, he just took it in the front and then went down on the side. So, yeah, whatever we could work out for him, man. It really sucks, man. I was training them and we were doing our thing, you know. And then I'll give you a ring. I'll let you know that the videos are inbound, my brother. You know, anything we could do for him. That's a good guy. It could not happen to a nicer guy, you know. And he was so eager to get out and ride, and this shit happens. Oh, the last thing I need are the air intake left and right, because that one ripped, so I can't salvage it. But you need 1, 2, 3. So the left and right air intakes. You need the upper fairing stay, and you need the pulsar cover. Those things, and then you get me the fairings, and I'll fix the bike. I guess somebody ain't messing around. Got the full fairing kit. Everything is here. All, like, from top to bottom, inner fairings, all that. And it's looking good. Got that like flake look to it. We're gonna get it cleaned up and whatnot. So I'm gonna start building the head assembly, and then just waiting for the critical pieces, and we can start the rebuild. Almost done. Alrighty folks, so as we're coming to a conclusion, you'll see that I did a test ride on the bike, and it sounds really good with the dual Voodoo exhaust on there. And you know, I have to say it felt good getting my hands on doing repairs again. I hadn't done videos like this in a while. I had to speed lapse it and cut some stuff because it was getting redundant, but you know, the bike looks good now. You know, I'm doing a little walk around and polish and all that. So Enrique, you owe me. You owe me 50 push-ups. But make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.